Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me. They said, I feel so uncomfortable. An unknown person got my photo on social media and said they will post it on social media with fake news in it, and I don't know what to do. Okay, well, I guess there's always a risk that when you post on social media and it's available to, the public to view, there's always a risk somebody could do that. It's rare, but obviously it happens. Um, and I guess it's hard for me to say exactly put together my thoughts on this one because I don't want you to go through life being constantly afraid of someone doing something like this to you. It sounds like if they want to use your name or photo uh, with fake news, that sounds like a potential defamation case, maybe harassment, depending on your situation. If they contacted you, you at least have a starting point for contacting back or tracking them down. But on the flip side, yeah, I don't want you going through life just being constantly worried that somebody might do something evil and awful to you. So I guess one thing I would do, if you haven't done it already, have a Google alert set up on your name. And so that way, if somebody writes about you, you'll get a notice so you don't have to be constantly worrying or scouring the internet. Um, you can take the photo and do a reverse image search through Google Images to see if anything pops up. But again, I don't want you like spending your whole life worrying because many of these times, when I hear these stories, people say someone's threatening me. It's really rare that they come back and say, "Hey, this actually happened." So yeah, one thing I learned from Gavin DeBecker, who's a security expert, is that if you are worried about something, that means it hasn't happened yet. And so I take a lot of comfort in that when I find myself worrying. It's a reminder of like, hey, if I'm worrying, this thing hasn't happened because if it happens, I will then just deal with it. So yeah, I would look at the totality of the circumstances, maybe look up your harassment law, set a Google alert, and keep living your life. You can choose to live in fear, but I really hope you don't. Of course, if you want legal advice on this situation, go talk to a lawyer because watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.